So the first step for me is always to create my part, because if the part ain't right, the hairstyle ain't right, okay? After I have this part, I'm gonna part my hair again. You just want to part a small section, because for this hairstyle, I want a swoop effect, and I don't want to bring hair from all the way back here to my forehead, so I just want to create a small little part. So yeah. After you have this, you want to split your hair down the middle, and you're gonna section one side off. So now I'm just gonna spray my hair. Okay, so y'all, I had to switch over to the voiceover because my house was getting a little bit too noisy at the time. So yeah, so basically all I'm doing right here is just brushing my hair out with my paddle brush, and then I'm going to start applying my gel. So after I apply my gel, I just take my bristle brush and just brush my hair towards the back of my head. So now I'm just taking out the other side of my hair, and I'm just going to start by sectioning off that little piece that I want to swoop, and I'm going to tie it away. After doing that, you guys will just see me repeating the same process as I did on the other side on this side. So I'm just taking all the hair in the back and I'm just tying it away. So for the swoop, you still want to spray your hair and you want to still detangle it. But once it comes to the gel and all of that, you want to make sure your hair is going towards your face rather than going towards the back. Here, you guys are just going to see me going through trial and error trying to get this swoop right. So after trying to get that swoop together for about 15 hours, I'm just going to tie the rest of my hair away. To keep my real hair from being seen, I'm just going to two-strand twist my hair and put it into a ball so that when I wrap the weave around it, it will not be visible. So now I'm just going back in with my toothbrush and some gel, and I'm just going to perfect that swoop a little bit more, and I'm also going to lay my baby hairs and pull out some sideburns. So this is the interesting part. I'm just going to take my Forever Beauty hair bundles and I'm just going to wrap this around my ball, and every so many wraps I'm just going to bobby pin them down. One bundle wasn't enough for me, so I'm just taking another bundle and I'm going to start wrapping that around the first one. This is a really important step, so I'm just going to take a chunk of hair and just wrap it around the track. And yes, I know that one of my tracks was still showing, but I ended up fixing it off camera. To me, the ponytail looked a bit too defined, so I'm just going to go through and separate some curls and also brush it out with my paddle brush just a little bit. And boom, sis, there you have it. You slayed. You feeling yourself, okay? It's a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. For them to miss me. The bad things that they wish